Hey gang, it's Chris and Ranger coming at you. We've got a winter storm brewing outside, so I'm about to start one of my favorite crockpot meals, and I'll share the recipe with you. So stand by. Okay, this is a crockpot chicken salsa bowl, and we're going to use 1 cup of brown rice, and we need to rinse it real quick. Okay, and that goes in the crock pot. Next is 1 cup of chicken bone broth. This recipe is going to be very satisfying and very protein heavy, which fits with my intermittent fasting. Okay. Okay. And next we need 2 pounds of frozen boneless, skinless chicken breast. One pound. Almost there. That's close enough. All right, the next ingredient is 1 tub of HEB salsa. I prefer the medium. Has a little kick to it. Just dump it in. Next we have 1 tablespoon of cumin. Doesn't hurt to add a little bit extra. And we have that was 1 teaspoon of cumin. And we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of chili powder, or ½ teaspoon of chili powder. Let me back up. It's 1 teaspoon of cumin, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon of chili powder. All right. And then, for today's recipe, I'm going to add in some frozen mixed vegetables. And that is all we need to get started. Put the lid on. I'm going to set it for 6.5 hours on low. And there we go. And then at about 6 hours, I will add 1 can of these black beans with jalapenos and lime in it. I almost forgot I wanted to add some diced red onion. Not a whole lot, but let's add a little flavor to it. I am not a chef, y'all. Just a guy trying to make a simple meal. Because simple meals equal peace. All right, let's throw this in there. There we go. All right, put the lid back on. And we've got still over 6 hours. So at 6 hours, we'll come back and we'll put the beans in.
I know you're bored, but it's yucky outside, so we gotta stay in. You're a good boy. We'll play bear. We've got time to kill. We've got 6 hours to kill. You're a good boy. You gonna play with bear? Bear's in rough shape, my friend. He's well loved.
Okay, we've got a little less than 30 minutes left. So now we're going to add the black beans. Drain this a little bit. All right. Put the lid back on, and after another 30 minutes or so, we will shred the chicken, and it should be ready to eat. All right, it's been over 6 hours, and now we need to shred the chicken. Wow, this smells amazing. The chicken is all very tender for having cooked for 6 hours. Are you expecting some of this? Hang on, I'll get you some dinner in a minute. Make sure everything's good. Mixed up. Get the rice all mixed in. All right. It smells great. It's cold outside, and this is gonna be a great filling warm meal on this cold evening. All right. And I should be able to get 5 to 6 different meals out of this one batch. Throw a little cheddar cheese on top. All right. Whew. All right. Well, let that cheese melt. Get Ranger his dinner, and we're gonna buckle down for the winter storm.